So I wanted to do a funny little review. So you got your Snapon 12mm here, right? And you got your Craftsman. I understand this is a flank drive, right? So this is far superior, right? Because it's got the nice groove on the inside. $38 for a single wrench, $8.48 at Lowe's. Here's the best part. You break this, you're walking right into Lowe's. This, I don't know how many of y'all Snap-on dealers come every day, but ours came once a week. And a lot of times, they might not show up. So, I could take this tomorrow. I break it tomorrow. I take it to Lowe's. I'm getting a new one. I got to wait a week if this breaks. Granted, I do understand this is flank drive, so it is superior. But at the end of the day, they're both turning nuts and bolts. So as long, I do understand you got a higher chance of stripping a nut or a bolt with this, but for $40, it's tough, especially if the warranty doesn't hold up.